Hi, I'm Jeff Sandor, and I'm going to show you how adding ProCore Plus planks is a great way to elevate the look of your home. Before you begin, pause here to review the tools needed for the job. Be sure to follow all requirements detailed in the instructions for preparing the subfloor, and keep the ambient temperature between 60 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove any wall base or use a quarter-round molding to cover the required expansion gap. Undercut all door jambs, allowing for a 1/64 of an inch more than the thickness of the flooring. Determine your installation direction and starting wall. Just note that if you have a doorway on a side wall, that should be your preferred starting place. Measure, calculate, and reduce the width of the first row to balance the layout. I recommend a random layout, and the short sides must be at least 8 inches apart, and please avoid the stair-stepping layout. Place your first pre-cut plank in the corner with both the extended locking mechanism facing out. Now, add wedge spacers behind to maintain the required expansion gap. Line up the short joint with the next plank. Engage the corners and then slide the joint together. For the last plank, mark the length, then score, and snap it downwards. Check the row for straightness and make it firm using wedge spacers. For the remaining rows, start with the off-cut or cut a starting plank. Insert the long side into the previous row at about a 25-degree angle. The long joint should be fully engaged before it's lowered into place. For the short joints, before lowering, make sure they're perfectly lined up. Start at the T and tap down the high side to connect the joint using a dead blow hammer. At the doorways, make sure your cut edges are covered by the door jamb, and yet maintain that expansion gap. Continue filling in rows, selecting planks randomly from different boxes until your floor is complete. And there you have it, a beautiful new floor that's sure to enhance the look of your home. ProCore Plus, available exclusively at Lowe's.